Hi everybody, good day. Hope you guys are doing well. So this is the New Year's Eve in Dubai, and I'm going to the Burj Khalifa to give you guys the experience of the fireworks and all that, the countdown. And the railway to the Dubai Mall to the Burj Khalifa was blocked, so they had to reroute us, and this is the explanation. Because people want to go to the Dubai Mall and they rerouted us. If you are not a family, they will not allow you to. They will let you take the long way around. And if you are not a couple, or you have somebody with you that you're a couple, they won't let you go. And this incredible. People are crossing this highway just to go and see the whole show at midnight. And the main people who are doing this are the Indians. Funny enough, I saw the police coming in. They were all jumping to the next one. It's crazy. I want to be safe, so I'm taking the long walk. It's about 4 hours till midnight, so it's not a big deal for me. I'm gonna take the walk and just keep walking. You know, it won't hurt me to be safe, to do the right thing. See how people are just jumping the main street. The police catch these people. Because of this building. So fun fact, I saw this beautiful mosque and I asked myself, why can't Ghana have a clean environment, provide jobs, and have mosques as beautiful as this? Why can't Ghana? We should do better, our government and all that. Anyway, let's not talk about that. Let's get back to the video. What's happening there? So the Dubai Mall area has been blocked. editing today, so I couldn't leave my hotel early, and yeah, that was my mistake. So I'm not gonna get a front view of the Burj Khalifa on the New Year's Eve. I will try to get as close as I can just to bring you guys good content, and hopefully that will suffice. Man, I have worked to last me a lifetime. If I don't lose weight, I don't think I ever lose weight again. So everybody, if you're new on my channel, please do subscribe, click on the post notification button, and watch the full length of the video. It helps the business. I found this place, Bay Square, beautiful place right across the Burj Khalifa. You can see so clearly and all that, and it's a resting place. I saw it, I decided to take a rest here just so that to pass away the time, and it's a beautiful sight. So you see the whole shot later on. Still waiting for New Year's Eve to be able to video this thing. It's taking some time. Only one time to fly, it doesn't fly. Yes, so there she is, the Burj Khalifa, right beside Dubai Mall. Well, it's incorporated with the Dubai Mall at Dubai or in Dubai, and trust me, it was beautiful to be there yourself to see it. Like myself, the light work, I'm sure they put so much investment and money into this because the light shows, the whole building was just reflecting, and the preparation to the countdown, the excitement, people were coming from left to right. If you could zoom in and look, you'll see the helicopters, the drones that are up there to take the shots for the YouTube and a whole lot. I mean, it's crazy. The whole experience was just amazing to be there, to be able to witness this for myself, and at least to be able to bring it to you, that you, if you were not able to witness it or have such an amazing moment when you were crossing over. So hey, the countdown will be starting very soon, so just sit back, enjoy and relax and experience with me. So that was it all. The fireworks went on for a while, and trust me, it was an amazing night. The walking was worth it. All the experiences and the places I saw that I hadn't seen before because I walked was worth it. So yeah, this is Vas. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and please do follow my other social media handles: Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and all that. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please share it with somebody. Make sure you subscribe, like, and follow for more. You can watch my previous video, which was my trip to Dubai, like leaving from Ghana to Dubai, my experiences in the plane and everything. I put it out there so that you guys can have a feel of it. And yeah, there's more to come with where I went to, what I did and all that, through the mall, through the sightseeing and stuff like that. So this Vas, want to say thank you for watching, and once again, Happy New Year. Peace.